Hi, my name's Paul and I've been working as a web designer for well over 10 years now. Other than dealing with the shortcomings of Internet Explorer, the biggest challenge I face is getting design sign-off. Dealing with a number of decision makers submitting contradictory feedback over multiple iterations can be painful to say the least. Not only is it a frustrating process, it can also be a major project management nightmare, with feedback coming at you from every direction. That's why we've created Get Sign-Off. We wanted a system that coordinated that design sign-off process, managing clients' comments and multiple iterations, but also establishing a definitive process to ensure everybody knows when a design has been well and truly signed off. Once you've signed up for a free account at getsignoff.com, the first step is to log into that account. The first screen that you're going to see is the dashboard. From here you can view recent comments on uploaded designs and see what designs individual users have been viewing. The first thing you want to do is create a new client. To do this, click Managing Clients and Projects. From this screen you can add new clients, edit user logins and create new projects. Let's start by adding a new client. And there we go, we've added our first client. Now, once you've added your first client, you're going to want to assign a project to that client. You can do that by clicking the Add New Project button underneath the client's name. All you need to do is give the project a name, Somerville Redesign, and click Add Project. Now you can click Manage that project, and that will allow you to upload your first design. Click the Upload button, select the design you want to upload, and give that design a name. Then simply hit Upload this design. Now, depending on the speed of your connection, this may take a few moments, but as you can see, once it's done, you return to the project screen. All you need to do now is assign an individual to the project, and they will be notified via email that there is a new design waiting for them to review. Once the client has received the email containing his login details, he can log on to the site. By default, the client interface looks very similar to that of the designers. However, if you upgrade to a Pro account, you have complete control over the visual appearance of this interface by editing the site's cascading style sheet. After logging in, the client will be shown all their projects and designs. New projects will be highlighted, and by clicking on a thumbnail, the client can view a larger version of the design. Both the designer and the client have the ability to add comments, and you can also add notes directly to the design. If the client wishes to view the design without the Get Sign-Off interface, they can do so by clicking on the image and viewing it in presentation mode. If the design needs to be refined based on feedback from the client, additional versions can be uploaded. Both the client and the designer has the ability to access not only the latest version, but also previous versions of the design, including all comments and notes made. Once the client is happy with the design, he can click on the Sign Off Design button and add any additional comments he wishes to make. Signed off designs are clearly labelled to ensure both parties understand that the design has been approved for production. And that gives you a very brief overview about what Get Sign-Off is all about. For more details, visit getsignoff.com and view the videos available under the How Get Sign-Off Works section. Of course, you could always see for yourself by signing up for your own free basic account that's available now.